How to embed a video on Twitter X. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, scroll down and launch the Twitter X application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now in order to embed a video on Twitter, simply scroll down and tap on any video that you'd want to embed. So I'm going to select on this one and then make it full screen. Here, tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. As you do that, you can see the option of share video. So tap on share video and then tap on post this. Now as you tap on post this, you can make necessary descriptions over here. And as you do that, tap on post. Now when you tap on post, you're going to go back and tap on our profile over here. And there you go. You have embedded a video on Twitter. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.